Hola amigos y amigas, Javier here for Hum of the Earth. Just finished checking out the Pueblito Boyacense in the city of Duitama. I've also checked out the city this morning. And I just found out that there's a pretty good trail to do here that I was not planning to do. Then when I saw the different features of it, because there was a map over there, I figured I had to do it. And here we are, another episode of Hum of the Earth Hikes, Duitama edition. Actually, when I was checking out the city of Duitama this morning, I noticed that the mountains around the city were very beautiful. And I thought to myself, I might come back to hike here another day. But since we're near the trailhead here, why put off something till tomorrow when we can do it today? So far, some pretty beautiful outskirts of the city of Duitama. Getting a sense of the rural life around here. And I think soon we'll be getting even more immersed in nature. So far more of a walk than a hike, but I believe, well, actually I asked that woman over there, and the intended path is to go up here, then up this mountain, which should give us some pretty nice views. Well, that's a little disappointing. This is what they're calling La Gruta, this religious rock structure that's vaguely like a cave, is not an actual cave. But I am not down because the best is yet to come. Well, we got a decent view here, but it seems, as per any good Hum of the Earth hiking episode, I've gone the wrong way. There is no trail here. Time to abort and reconfigure the path here. I believe that is Sogamoso, or the southern part of it over there, where the light is. The sister city. Once again, definitely not on path here, but I'm just trying to get to the top. Let's finish this. Doing a bit of real climbing now. Gotta pay attention. And what do you know? A few crosses. It's always the sign of a successful hike that you made it to a nice viewpoint, because that's where these are. Well, as per usual, we did not do what was intended, but I still had a good time. And if you did too, please smash the like button or leave me a comment, let me know what you thought. If you're interested in the city of Duitama, which is that city right there, this morning I checked out the city and shot some footage, so I'll be doing a video of that, probably coming out before this video actually, as well as a video of the Pueblito Boyacense, which you saw at the beginning of this video, and that's kind of a recreation of some of the notable towns in Boyaca, a department which has lots of pretty towns and beautiful places. I should know because that's where I've been lately, doing hikes, making videos, meeting people, and enjoying beautiful Boyaca. If you'd also like to enjoy it, I have a playlist linked in the description with all the videos that I've made in Boyaca. You'll also find a link to the playlist of the videos I made 3 years ago bicycling through Colombia, checking out the majority of the popular places to visit in Colombia. And that was part of a larger trip bicycling through Latin America. I've also bicycled through Eastern Africa and Eastern Europe, and I have playlists for all those countries that I've bicycled through available on this very same YouTube channel, Hum of the Earth. And if you'd like to follow my continuing adventures through Colombia and beyond, you can do so by clicking on the red subscribe button and clicking on the bell to be notified when new videos come out.